Okay, we are tiptoeing into I Just Called to Say I Love You. We're going to roll this song over. We've got 2 chord progressions we're going to focus in during our break. A C chord, C for 1 measure, C major 7, C6, C major 7. We're just going to go around in a circle. Try it out and see how you feel about that. Then we get to that D minor. D minor major 7, F, D minor major 7, D minor, G7, C. So I was doing that here in the first 3 frets. We can also do it up here. It would be hearts to give away, no first of spring, no song to sing. In fact, here's just another ordinary day. So in lieu of that F chord, we're just doing a D minor. That is when we do this position up here on the 5th fret. So that's just sort of a little tease of what we're going to talk about in the next session. Let's give it a go. Make sure we're all muted. And I'm going to record this so you can play along. 1, 2, 3, 4. No New Year's Day to celebrate, no chocolate covered hearts to give away, no first of spring, no song to sing. In fact, here's just another ordinary day. No April rain, no flowers bloom, no wedding a Saturday within the month of June. But what it is something new, made up of these 3 words that I must say to you. I just called to say I love you. I just called to say how much I care. I just called to say I love you, and I mean it from the bottom of my heart. No summer's high, no warm July, no harvest moon to light one tender August night, no autumn breeze, no falling leaves, not even time for birds to fly to southern skies, no Libra sun, no Halloween, no giving thanks to all the Christmas joy you bring. But what it is, though old, no new, to fill the heart like no 3 words could do. I just called to say I love you. I just called to say how much I care. I just called to say I love you, and I mean it from the bottom of my